What if you could be able to buy the Bitcoin that you want on a specific date and at a specific price? Sounds too good to be true, but it actually exists on the Binance site. The feature is called Binance Dual Investment. This is how it works. You set the exact amount that you want to either buy or sell your Bitcoin at, and then set when you want this to happen. And on the date that this has been scheduled to happen, if particular conditions are met, then the transaction goes through. But if these conditions are not met, you still make some income. Let me get into what Binance Dual Investment is. When you go onto the platform, this will be under Binance and high yield. And there's a very good reason why this is under high yield. So we'll go under Binance and then I'll click on search coin, and then from protected, I click on high yield. At the very top, you see dual investment. I'll click on this eye icon, and then it says you commit your cryptocurrencies, higher potential rewards with settlement in one of the two cryptocurrencies. I'll explain exactly how it works. So I'll click on OK, and then I'll click on view more. Look at what it says. You can be able to buy your Bitcoin and get an APR range of between 2.55% and 69.87%. I have done this and gotten even sometimes over 100% APR. So I'll click on BTC, and this is what it does. There are two different modes that you can be able to use. You can use beginner mode or use the advanced mode, but I'll explain to you exactly how they work. So here we are on the advanced mode, and there are three different options for us. One is selling BTC for BUSD, sell high, or buying BTC for USDT, buy low, or buying BTC for BUSD, buy low. So now the next thing to understand is exactly what these three mean. When it comes to selling BTC for BUSD, this means that I can actually be able to set the price I want to sell my BTC at on a particular day in the future, and if that price is not reached and the current price on that particular day and time is lower than this amount, I will earn some BTC. So let's click on it and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So I'll click on selling BTC for BUSD, and this is what it tells you. So at the moment of recording this particular video, I have BTC at 19,337. If by the cutoff time the prices will be 19,500 or higher, I will sell my BTC at 19,500. But if by the cutoff time the price will be lower than 19,500, then I will earn some BTC. So let's get into the example. As I shoot this video, it's on the 24th of October, and the cutoff time that is at the very top is in 4 days time on the 28th of October. And the APR is 71.52%, and the target price is 19,500. This is what it means. With my BTC currently at about 700 Kenya shillings, it's 0.00033 BTC. If at the end of the cutoff time, the price of Bitcoin will be at or above 19,500, then I will receive 6.4845 BUSD. This is my current BTC plus the 4 days of interest of the BTC before this particular cutoff time. If the price on the settlement date will not have reached 19,500, I will receive 0.00033254 BTC from my 00033. So I'll earn 254 as well. So what will happen is the subscription amount here is 0.00033 BTC, and the interest at 71% APR will give me 256 BTC, and then I'll receive 0.00033256 BTC. On the other end, I will have gotten this interest of 0.00050256, and I'll receive 6.484 BUSD. That means that within these 4 days, I'll put my BTC as a commitment for this transaction, and then I'll be able to get my BTC or BUSD depending on the price. Suppose we want to do the other way around. If we have our BUSD in our spot wallet and we want to buy BTC at a particular price, we'll go back and you'll be able to see the advanced mode for buying BTC for BUSD, buy low. So I'll click on buy low, and then here we have our current reference spot price is at 19,345, and I'm expecting that I will buy at a little lower than this price. So say I want to be able to buy at 19,000, but on the 4th of November, what I'll get is 60.24%. That's what I will click on, and here I have my 18 BUSD, and I want to be able to buy at $19,000 for BTC. So remember, our current price is currently at 19,340. So what we'll actually do here is I want to buy $10 worth, and what you'll see here is if the price will be above 19,000, meaning that the target price will not have been reached, I will get an additional 0.18 BUSD on the 4th of November, which is in about a week, and then I'll receive my 10.18 BUSD. But what if the price is reached? Then in the meantime, between now and the cutoff time, I will receive my 0.18 BUSD, and then this 10.18 BUSD will be used to buy BTC at 19,000. Binance Dual Investment is a sure way of you being able to buy your crypto at the time that you want and at the price that you want. Of course, it has its own risks. This is what I mean. If you had placed a sell BTC on the cutout time and the target is reached, and now the price is even higher than your target, you will sell at the target price and not at the current spot price. So there's a small margin of profit that you will miss. And this goes the same with if you had placed a buy low and the price now is even lower than the target that you had placed at the cutout time. Suppose you wanted to buy at 19,000 and the current spot price is at 18,000, then you'll miss that profit because you'll not be able to buy even more Bitcoin at the lower 18,000 price. But the good thing I like about it is the fact that you can actually be able to set this and even higher APRs that normally are available on the Simple Earn on Binance Earn, and still you will do a transaction at the cutout time, and then that amount will now be deposited in your spot wallet. If you've already placed in subscribe, then it will actually pick this and put it in your Earn wallet. And now I want you to be able to see on how to set up a trading business on P2P and start making money as a trader, and even how you can become a merchant. That video is showing up right here, and I'll see you in the next one.